Here at Industries, we exist to solve your packaging problems. With that expectation in mind, we have designed all of our equipment and processes around quality assurance. Our cap lining equipment has 8 quality inspection points that every part must pass through. We involve the people who are actually working the lines and handling your products. Our experienced operators are responsible for physically inspecting parts from every case we produce in order to ensure all specs are being met. One of the most important tests we conduct is the reverse vacuum stress test. We perform this test on every roll in production. This test simulates the maximum amount of stress that can be exerted on the vent. The vacuum suction tip is applied to the welded side of the membrane. A water droplet is dropped onto the vent hole and held for 10 seconds to ensure there is a strong weld and no leaks are present on the vent. Our vision system has revolutionized the way we control quality on our lining machines. Our camera inspects every single vent that passes through the machine. If there is any deviation from the set parameters, such as a hole in the liner, a misaligned vent, or even debris in the liner, the vision system will stop the machine immediately. The failure is highlighted and displayed on our control hub for further review. At Industries, we continue to innovate our quality systems and processes in order to meet specifications and, more importantly, exceed your expectations.